Right, so misty headlights, cream tinted, yellow, horrible. It's failed its MOT. It's come to our garage for a second opinion. The garage that where it went to, wanted £295 per headlight to supply with a new headlight. So this is the easy fix, cheap for the customer, not a bad little earner, and being fair, because that's the main thing. So what you need is hot soapy water. It can be cold, it's just personal preference on your hand, and you want a decent grip of 1500 wet and dry. You know, it's always better to buy the better quality paper, it'll last longer and not rip to bits. Just wet the headlight down and away, and just start rubbing. You can mask the edge of the headlight off if you want. I've done this for years. It's something you just get used to. So you just work it like that. And what you'll see, you start seeing the cream running off. And that's what you want. And you want to end up with a nice, clean headlight all the way around. So I'll send that back and I'll show you what it looks like after sending back. It should take me about 5 minutes to do. Alright, it's all sanded back. All you need to do is give it a bit of a wash off now. Having a look to see if you've got any bits of yellow left, and you can pretty much see when you wash it, just from sanding it back, the difference from the yellow haze. And obviously it doesn't give you a correct beam pattern, so that's why they're failing the MOT. So once you've done that, on to the next step now. So you want a machine polisher, you want a fairly hard abrasive pad for it. You can get these pretty much anywhere, but I use Autosmart. I'll give you a link in the bio of where you can get all this sort of stuff from. There's always someone you know who's got a machine polisher you can lend. And then this is a new thing by Autosmart, Evo Adaptive Cut. Now this is the daddy. I'll give you the link of where you can buy it from. I want to speak to Steve or Colin, and they'll sort you out and they'll get it shipped out to you. This starts off as an abrasive cut, and as you change down, the cut breaks itself down, becomes a light cut, and you can use it with the polishing head, which is used as an ultra fine cut. I've fallen in love with this. All my other compounds have gone in the bin because you just need this one. Alright, so check it out and watch on, and we'll see what we can do. Now it's dried, you can see it's dried to a white sort of misty haze, where the other one is just constantly yellow and horrible. I'm going to machine this up now and we'll see how we get on. Rub it in with a pad. Apply a little bit at a time, because obviously you don't want splatters all over the car. You can put too much on it, just splatters everywhere. Rub it in. I'm looking now and there's just a little mark there I'm not too happy about. You can feel it's a bit rough and a bit there, so I'm just going to give it a little bit more sand over, smoothing it out. £295 plus the VAT each to work for a new pair of headlights, which is expensive. Especially on an old car, and an hour's labour cost if you were to bring it to us. We've got all the material. It's a massive saving. Work them two little bits I've missed, back onto polishing. Creme de la creme, adaptive cut. Rub it in so it doesn't initially splatter anywhere really. That's messy, it takes time, you've got to mask it all up, you've got to prep it. And that hasn't taken no time at all to do. Now, get a good wax, you can wax over them. If you wax over them and wax over them every 3 months, they'll always stay like this. You just got to put something on there to protect it. Just a nice thin coat of wax, rubbed in and buffed out. That'll pass its MOT now. That saved a fortune. Everybody's happy. Cheers for watching. Thank you.